do anything else. I did not even prepare any lecture at all. Talk about my poetry. I feel most uncomfortable talking about my poetry. Would you believe that the poems that have been there are pretty misleading? You know why? Because they've always known university to be the erotic poetry. And there's nothing erotic about the wow. Political and theological, spiritual. The Christians don't know anything about that. The Dominicans don't know that there's the spiritual thing. The erotic recitation is a myth. It started with Isagani Cruz, actually. Where's the song? Started with a poem of mine about children barging into a room where the parents are making love. Hindi totoo dyan, may sabi here. The fiction. And, the situation about children barging in because the room was left unlocked. And, the whole song about that. And the critic puts it very aptly. He says, the poem is erotic in subject, but very sophisticated in the handling. There's nothing erotic about that. But then another poem of mine, only two, and ang dami ko naman sinulat, erotic poet ba? And that's the poem which ends with, for Christ's sake, hold your tongue and let me count.